Today I found a niche on Etsy with crazy demand, and at the same time, very low competition. If we search for the keyword color matching activity, we'll find some absolutely amazing designs. For example, let's take a look at this design called Penguin Color Matching Activity. If we look at the top, we can see that this product is selling right now at the exact time I'm recording this video, and it's currently in 20 people's carts. And if we scroll down a little, we'll notice that the price of the product is around $2, almost exactly. Now, if we scroll down even more, we'll see that this is a digital product, and that's exactly what matters to us. And we're not focusing on this product alone. If we go back to the main Etsy page, you'll notice there are many products designed to teach kids colors. And honestly, these products are more than amazing. And all of them are generating a lot of sales. So let's see how many sales these types of products are making on a daily basis. If we search again for the keyword color matching activity so we can analyze it properly, we'll find that the monthly search volume for this type of activity is around 22,000 searches per month, and the competition is only about 4,000, which is considered low competition. And if we scroll down even further, you'll find several other keywords with huge monthly search volume and almost no competition. For example, crayons color matching has around 16,000 searches per month, and the competition is only 173. I want you to design this product today, and I'm absolutely confident that you're going to generate amazing sales from it. Now, as an example, let's move directly to Canva so I can teach you how to design one of these products, the exact one I analyzed earlier, which is the Penguin Color Matching Activity. I'll start by creating a new design in Canva with dimensions of 11 by 8.5 inches. Then I'll go to the Elements section, search for Shape, and add this rectangle. After that, I'll resize it so it covers almost the entire page, leaving just a small space around the edges. Next, I'll change the color of those edges to a color that fits a winter theme. Let's go with this color right here. Then I'll change the color of the main rectangle to white. After that, I'll search for a penguin. You'll find many different shapes, so choose the one you like. I'll go with this penguin wearing a red scarf. Then I'll reduce its size slightly, copy it several times, and distribute them across the page in this layout. Now the page contains 8 penguins. And pay close attention here. Our goal is to teach kids colors. Red. I'll select the first penguin and change its color to red, just like this. The second color will be blue, so I'll change the entire second penguin to blue. And we'll continue the same process with the rest of the colors, like yellow, green, orange, and more. And just like that, super easily, we've finished the first page. This page now contains 8 penguins, and each penguin represents a different color. Clean, simple, and perfect for teaching kids. To create the second page, I'll add a brand new page. After that, I'll place the same penguin I used on the first page. And using the exact same method, I'll duplicate it 8 times and arrange them on the second page. But this time, I won't change the color of the entire penguin. Instead, I'll only change the color of the scarf it's wearing. For example, I'll select one penguin and change the color of its scarf to red. Using the same approach, I'll change the scarf color of the second penguin to blue, the third to yellow, and so on, until we finish all the remaining colors. And just like that, we've easily completed the design of the second page as well. Honestly, I see this product as amazing and very simple at the same time. Now, to fully understand the idea, here's how the child will use it. The child will go to the second page, cut out one of these penguins, let's say the yellow penguin. Then they will paste it onto the yellow penguin on the first page. And just like that, the child learns how to match colors together in a very easy and fun way. And as you already know, I don't just teach you how to design products. I always add extra features you can include in your designs so you stand out from the sellers who are already on Etsy. For example, we can add the name of the color on the first page on each penguin. I'll press the letter T to add text to this page. Then I'll drag the text onto the penguin that has the red color. After that, I'll change the font, and then I'll write the word red inside the penguin that carries the red color. And of course, I'll change the text color from black to white so it's much clearer and easier to read. Now, the child will go to the second page, cut out the penguin wearing the red scarf, and paste it onto the penguin that has the red color on the first page. And at the same time, the child is also learning the name of the color easily. This is a huge added value. And that's not all. We can also add some winter elements to the first page, placing them between the penguins, so the page looks more attractive and visually appealing. And just like that, we finished designing this amazing product. Honestly, I see it as even better than many of the products currently available on Etsy. After that, we simply download the product as a PDF file. And you already know how to sell it on Etsy. I explain that step by step in a brand new video that you'll find on my channel. As for my collection that consists of 80 books, and I believe most of you already know it, there is a huge update that everyone will benefit from, even those who haven't purchased the collection yet. If we scroll down just a little, you'll see that I added bonus gifts, a total of 5 gifts. These gifts are available only for those who purchase the collection. Meaning, if you buy the bundle, you'll receive these 5 bonus gifts. But don't worry, wait just a moment. These gifts are actually 5 very profitable Etsy products with completely new ideas. Honestly, I believe these ideas are not even available on Etsy right now. I created them based on my own experience in this field, and I intentionally kept them hidden so that only those who purchased my collection could benefit from them. They are 5 full products. However, for everyone, the first product will be available publicly, so you can see it and understand the true value of these 5 products. When we click on the first product, it opens this amazing product that teaches kids how to learn numbers from 1 to 10 in a creative and beautiful way. Here, the child learns the shape of the number 1, learns how to write it, and then actually writes it. And now comes the SMART exercise. I placed a tree, and under it a title that says, "Cut 1 apple and stick it on the tree." The child will cut 1 apple from the apples at the bottom of the page, and then place it onto the tree. This way, the child learns through action and interaction. If we scroll down to the second page, you'll see that I already prepared the numbers from 1 to 10, and I also wrote 10 ready-made ideas that perfectly fit the 10 pages of this product. For example, let's design the second page together. All we have to do is duplicate the first page, change the number 1 to 2, then go to the second idea, copy it, and place it here. After that, we'll go to Elements, add maybe 5 fish into the box at the bottom of the page, then search for a fish house and add it here. Now the child must cut 2 fish, because we're teaching the number 2, and place them inside the fish house. And just like that, the child learns the number in an amazing and interactive way. I know you're impressed by this product, and I know you'll get it today. Now, if we go back to the 80 book page so you fully understand what this collection is, this bundle contains 80 books, designed with high precision and over 7 years of experience in selling digital products on Amazon and Etsy. These books are fully editable on Canva in a smooth and flexible way. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see images and examples from each book. Here's a very important note. If you look at the top left corner of any image, you'll see a number written on it. For example, if you see the number 30, that means this book contains 30 pages, meaning you'll receive all 30 pages of that book. I want you to go right now and explore this collection yourself. I'm sure it will benefit you and give you many ideas, even if you don't buy it. As for the 5 products I added today, they will be available only to those who purchase the collection. And every single month, I'll be adding new, profitable Etsy products and ideas, available to everyone who bought the collection, whether in the past, today, or in the future. And for those who already purchased the collection, just go to the product you bought originally, and you'll find that the 5 products were added automatically to your account.